Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I haven't filmed a video in what feels like forever. It's probably just been a couple of weeks, but I have just been so busy with band stuff and then relaxing after band stuff has been done and released, and so I just kind of didn't do anything for a while, but I'm back at it. If you guys hear licking or see shaking, I apologize. That is my cat. He is sitting right next to the camera and he's cute, so I'm not moving him, but he is cleaning himself. So hopefully that's not too distracting. Okay, so Wantable. This is what I have today. It is a Wantable, and I think I just ordered summer stuff. I have stuff that I've picked out on my stream, and I just asked for summer stuff. And I think that's basically it. Wantable is a style service where they actually give you 7 items, which is awesome. I like getting a few more items than you would get in a Stitch Fix. They give you, I think, 4 days maybe to keep what you like and then send back what you don't like. You know, it's very similar to all the style services. What I like about Wantable is I feel like it's more basics type stuff, which is my thing. Basics are my jam. I just like basic clothing. I'm basic. And so there's my bundle. Here we go. And not a lot of bright colors or anything like that, but that's okay. Anyways, so that's why I like Wantable. I only get it periodically because it is overpriced in my opinion. Though they have had some good pieces at decent prices. And they've been my best spot for shorts. I have been very happy with the shorts I've received from my Wantables. So that's been cool. Alright, I'm going to just start here at the top. And start with, we have by Paper Label. Which coincidentally is not a paper label. Anyways, it looks like a mock neck dress, kind of a looser style dress it appears, and short sleeve. So I like that. I feel like I've got a similar dress from a Nadine West, but that was like a bodycon type thing. So this actually might be more my style since I'm not into the bodycon. So, okay, cool. All right, and this is by Tarte Collections. This is a blazer. Okay, this is like a knit blazer, so very soft, very kind of loose and flowy, but also kind of feels thick in several layers. So very pretty too. I love this navy color. That's very pretty. So I'm excited to try this on. Next we have, this feels like 2 pieces. Is this 1 piece or no? This is a mixed material. Okay. So we have in the front, this is a different kind of mixed material. In the front we have a sweater. In the back we have a blouse. I'm all for mixed material. I'm not sure about a sweater blouse mix. This is by Skies Are Blue, and it does have like a darker brown. Oh, I guess it's more of a kind of burnt mustardy bottom there. I'm a little surprised to get anything sweatery in the middle of July, but that's okay. It is what it is. And I'm not sure about the mixed material. I don't know. That's definitely unique. All right, we got another sweater. I'm not quite sure what's happening here, Wantable. It's by Dreamers, and it is, oh, I guess this is like a short sleeve sweater here. And I think that this is one that I actually got one in black, and I kept it, and I wear it, and I like it. So this might end up being a keeper for me. I do like, you know, a short sleeve sweater in the summer because it's like I'm cold a lot, and that's my way of still being summery and yet warm, you know. Okay, so but we have the Goss, and we've got these camo shorts. It's kind of a different camo. I don't know what I feel of that camo, but I really like the look of the shorts, and I like the cargo pockets. So I don't know. I like the looks of shorts. I'm just not sure this particular camo pattern is my favorite. I don't know. We'll see. Now this is by Dex, and this is a long sleeve button up kind of camp type shirt. So I don't have anything like this. I'm actually really excited to try this type of shirt on. Okay. Oh, and it looks like it does have a button for tab sleeves on it. Then we have by Lemon Tart, we have a 3/4 striped sleeve with a gray neck here. I'm always all about stripes, so I always like a little something like this. Okay, so some great pieces, some unique pieces. I'm really excited to try these pieces on because I feel like they're kind of unique this time, and I don't know, we'll see how it fits. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, first up we have the shorts and sweater blouse. And let's start with the shorts. Now the shorts I really like, very similar to my other Vigosh shorts that I got with the cargo pockets and the feel and the stretch, and I really like. Now, what I did find with my other pair of shorts is they're kind of a stretchy snug, if you will, and kind of that whole, they kind of ride up a little bit. So it's like, you know, you gotta periodically just kind of pull things down. Shorts are a weird thing. I feel like shorts are one of the most difficult things to get comfortable, perfect. I mean, the inseam's gotta be great, the waistband's gotta be great, the overall tightness needs to be great. I don't know. I feel like shorts are complicated. Maybe I'm wrong. So I think if I decide to keep these, which there's a chance that I will, because I do really like these. I think they're very cute. Now that I have them on the camo, I'm good with it. I like it. I may size up in these. Now, they have been sending me shorts in a size smaller, which has been questioning whether I was getting the correct size or not before, but I do think I will size up to kind of what is generally what I consider to be my true size. So, I don't know. If I keep these, I probably size up. So, okay, now, sweater blouse. Now, first of all, just the name alone, sweater blouse. Weird. It just feels weird. So I like this kind of sweater. I'm all about actually tan cream sweaters. I like that a lot. But the whole blouse thing in the back is weird, and also it just, the way it's kind of got the draping is like, I'm very aware of it every time I move, and it just feels kind of awkward. It's not comfortable because you don't want to feel your shirt kind of sliding open and close every time you do this. So to me, it's not very comfortable because that's annoying. All right, next outfit. Now, these shorts are from my previous Wantable. I have not worn them yet, but man, they feel really good. I'm glad I kept these. Anyways, this shirt is a great fit, very great fit. I love stripes, and I have some similar striped tops, but this is a little bit more black heavy, so maybe I could justify keeping it. So I think it'll just depend on price, but I do really like it. I like the uniqueness of like the collar and sleeves here with the charcoal, and it's super soft and comfy. So I like it. Next up. Okay, the Dreamer top, again, I've got this same thing in black, and I do like it, and I do wear it. I like kind of the almost mock neck, so kind of a high crew neck. I'm not quite sure what to call it. And even though this is a small / medium, it fits me really well. So I'm actually really impressed with that. I love the color. It's a really pretty color, so I don't know. So far, I'm kind of liking almost everything. This is probably going to be a tough decision. Okay, next top. Okay, when I pulled this shirt out, I call it a camp shirt, but I did look at the tag and it called it a utility shirt. Now, it looks like this does have a button on it if I wanted to do a tab sleeve here, which I feel like I would. I feel like it's a little bit, I don't know, a little bit dowdy worn in full length, plus it is a little bit long on me, so I have a feeling that if I kept this, it would, I'd wear it as a tab sleeve. All right, there's my crappy sleeve rolls. But I like this. I like this shirt a lot, especially with the tab sleeves. It's like a very cute, casual. It's like it makes me want to wear it camping or something like that. Let's do a little front tuck action here. Okay, so I like it. Again, this will probably depend on if the price is right. I'm not sure that I'm like super in love with it, but it's a unique style. It's not something I have, and I could see it, you know, grabbing it in the summer, especially for like a cool evening type, throw in a long sleeve shirt. So I don't know. I am considering this one as well. There's a lot of things to think about here. All right, next top. Okay, next we have this blazer, which I guess maybe looks a little bit weird with these shorts, but this blazer here, very soft knit. I like that it's like a good tightness to it. It gives a good fitted look, and it's got a decent thickness to it. Like, this is something I could see myself wearing quite a bit to the office, over dresses, over just office wear, and that's provided I ever go back to the office, or just throwing on with a pair of jeans. I just think it's really cute, and I'm a fan. What do you guys think of this piece? I feel like it's got this versatility that I could very much wear it casual like this. Again, probably with a pair of, maybe a pair of colored jeans or something like that. So, but super comfortable. I like it a lot. Okay, I think we just have the dress left. Okay, this dress is definitely not my favorite. It does have a nice looseness to it. I could eat some cheeseburgers, things like that. And then it does have a little bit of snugness that I don't feel like a complete sack of potatoes. Midi length, which is cute. But I just don't know that it's doing anything for me. I do kind of wish it did have more of a waistline to it. And then really what's probably the deal breaker is this mock neck is just like full on turtleneck, I guess. Not like full on, but I don't know. And it is kind of tight and restricting and not super comfortable. So I like it, but clearly I'm not over the moon for it, and I have other pieces that I'm really interested in, so most likely this will not be a keeper. What do you guys think of it? It's just, So, okay, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Okay, so I forgot to mention, which this is probably, yep, that's backward for you guys. So they were having a huge sale right now, which is kind of why I ordered this box. I wasn't scheduled to for another couple of months. And so it's 70% off, 70% off, that'd be awesome. 50% off if you kept all 7 items. If you keep 5 to 6, you get 40%. And if you keep 3 to 4, you keep 30%. So I did a little mathing on this ahead of time just because I saw that and went, oh, I should figure this out, because I knew it would be complicated because there's a lot I want to keep, and it's like, you know, do I keep all of them? What's it worth? And you know, just trying to figure that all out. So, okay. So I'll give you the final or the original price of everything before obviously the keep percentages, if you will. So this is the Che top by Lemon Tart. It is $58. I don't feel like this is worth $58. I like it. It's cute. I'm sure I'd wear it, but it's not a $58 shirt. So, but knowing that I do get a percentage off, this is kind of on my maybe list. The shorts, these are the Ace High Rise Camo Cargo Short by Vigoss. These are $48. This is dependent on me being able to size up on these. Like I said, I've got a similar pair and I'm kind of pulling at them a lot, and I just think I need to go up a size. So, definite keeper if I can size up. The utility shirt in Army Wash by Dex, this is $65. This again goes in the maybe because of being able to get a percentage off. I wouldn't normally pay $65 for this, but maybe. Okay, this is the Essential Blazer in Peacoat by Tarte Collections, $88. I love this piece. Part of it is that I feel like I could wear this to work or somewhere and get away with wearing like a sweatshirt. It's that comfortable. So I could see myself wearing this year round. $88, but you know, certain pieces that you know you're just gonna absolutely be obsessed with and super, super, super comfortable with, they are, you know, kind of worth the extra money. Again, I know also because I know I'll be able to get a percentage off. Then we had the Skies Are Blue back rep sweater in $58. I didn't care for the blousey back to it. It was weird and it just didn't feel good, not keeping that. This is the short sleeve crew neck sweater and by Dreamers, $38. Again, I've got a black one and I know I would wear this. So this is a yes for me. And then we have the Harlow dress by Paper Label, and this is $95. Not at all worth $95. I could see myself getting something very similar in a Nadine West for 20 bucks. So not gonna keep this. Also, you know, you guys saw it. I just didn't love it. So that leaves me with, I had 3 yeses, for sure yeses, and 2 maybes. So that puts me in, if I get 3, the 30% off range, and if I keep 5, the 40% off range. So I will say that if I keep 5, I'll pay $178, and if I keep 3, I'll pay $122. I think it'll depend on how bad I want that utility shirt, and I might try that on again. Would love to hear your guys' opinions. What should I keep? What do you guys think? I do have some credit from those of you that used my referral link, so I'll actually pay a lot less than than the prices I mentioned. So thank you for whoever used my referral link. I do have that link below. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you like it, so you'll give it a thumbs up because that helps my video tremendously. And I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.